Hi, I am Dr. Harish K V, Senior Consultant Physician, Clinical Cardiologist, Diabetologist at Hansaa Healthcare, Indiranagar, Bangalore, India. Whenever there is an elderly person at home who has a fall, try to stay calm. Kindly check if the patient is having any low sugar issues or low BP, or if patient has any past history of epilepsy, or is it a cardiac attack like cardiac arrest or a stroke. Check for any nasal bleed, check for any injuries because of the hit, and keep the airways clear, check the breathing, check for circulation. Don't overcrowd around the patient, and whenever you are trying to move the elderly patient, see that the neck position, the injured parts are well taken care, and always move a patient on a harder surface so that there is no further dislocation or further damage to the injured parts, either a fracture or a cut injuries.